Hey guys, this is Japan Master Channel. I'm Yukigesho. Today I'm going to talk about the Tokyo Disneyland. The survey of the most visited theme park in 2020, the Tokyo Disneyland is selected as the third place. So I will explain a bit of what is Tokyo Disneyland like and also which ride you should check out and take. Before the location is actually in Chiba and not Tokyo. Reason why they put the Tokyo in front because Tokyo Disneyland, the Tokyo is a much more the famous and there's a name value in it, so the people will notice and pay attention more. Anyway, get back to the point and the concept of Tokyo Disneyland in general is for the children. There are Disney characters and buildings and facilities are everywhere. Just watching these structures and the children will definitely will be enjoyed and get excited because of the Disney animation world. In end of September 2020, new area has opened. The first one is Baymax. The name of the attraction is Happy Ride with Baymax. In this ride, you get to enjoy the unpredictable movement and the up-tempo music. And besides of attraction, there's a popcorn shop has opened. Here you can pick the flavor from strawberry milk and the caramel and cheese, and also the cookies and the cream. And the second area is open. It called Beauty and the Beast. This one is a much bigger changing than the previous one. Name of the attraction is Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast. Exterior and interior designs are faithfully reproduced as an animation. In this attraction, you will ride a magical cup that dance in the rhythm of the music from the Beauty and Beast. The cup you will ride will be swinging around with the music. In this area, Beauty and Beast turban and the gift shop are also open as well. You get to order drinks and foods from the Beauty and the Beast. And let me tell you the 3 rides that I suggest if you visit in Tokyo Disneyland. The first one is called Space Mountain. The ride is located inside of the dome. While you riding, there are not much light, so the inside is quite dark by creating the atmosphere of the space. You get to experience the fantasy space world moment because of this lighting interior. And the second one is called Big Thunder Mountain. And the area of this ride is gold mine. It represents the time of American gold rush. The ride is locomotive, the runaway train. The course is wavy and the ride goes very fast, so it's very fun to ride with. It is really exciting attraction, I believe. The third one is called the Splash Mountain. In this attraction, at first the ride will move slowly in the river while you listen the American country music. In here, there are more than hundreds of the unique animals will be appeared. Then you will dive into the waterfall basin later. if you are sitting in front, you will definitely get wet. These three attractions are pretty popular, so be prepared to queue the long line. And Disneyland, the cost entry ticket will cost $74 for weekdays and $79 for weekends and holidays. There are two ways to ride an attraction faster, so it will avoid the waiting long queue line. One is using the fast pass. So you go to the entrance of the attraction you want to ride. There you will get there will be a fast pass ticket machine, and you show the entry ticket to receive the fast pass ticket, or download the Tokyo Disney Resort application and get fast pass from it. Then second way is the same as Universal Studios Japan. There is a single ride system. If you queue the single rides line, you can reduce the waiting time by sacrificing not ride with your friend. Unfortunately, these fast pass and single ride are pausing at the moment. Besides, Tokyo Disney Resort are planning to whether to set a price for fast pass systems like USJ. So yeah, at the moment you cannot use this method to avoid the long queue line. And in the Tokyo Disneyland, there's so much shows, like the Disney character will dance and walking along the road and stuff. And also there's a unique original food for each area and section. So if you want to know more about this the show and food, please check the information from the link below. Yeah, that's all for today, and thanks for watching. If you like the content, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, press subscribe button and also leave some comment. I will talk to you soon. Bye.